Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav from InCred Equities. Nifty had a strong session and finally closed about 25,000 mark, comfortably above that, rather 25,100. Bank Nifty was also positive. All in all, it was a good session. There was some spike coming in the broader market as well. Those stocks did not see that kind of cheer. Nevertheless, if you look at the daily charts for Nifty, it's forming what we know as a gramophone pattern or a broadening wedge pattern, which basically means that the critical resistances would now lie at 25,200. So Nifty made high of 25,200 few days back, and after that we witnessed a sharp downside, and that particular level now becomes quite critical. A close about 25,200 on daily charts would open the roads for 26,000 levels, and that would be the trade to watch out for. Risk takers probably can buy Nifty if it goes towards 25,000 spot, and if it sustains above that, keeping stop loss of 100 points. But the safe trader should buy only once it gives a close about 25,200. I reiterate, between Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Sensex, it is the chart of Sensex that looks the most interesting and lucrative. A close above 83,000 can push it towards fresh lifetime high, and one can keep a stop loss of 81,500. But again, like I said, wait for breakouts to confirm and then place a trade. US markets were not that down. Asian markets are also not that down, but the news of uh, attack on Iran by even the US forces is something that can result in some jitters. Iran is threatening to shut the Strait of Hormuz. So that all things can result in some amount of pressure, some volatility. So as I said, trading is quite difficult, and GIFT Nifty is pointing towards 130 points cut as we speak. So in all likelihood, we'll open around 25,000 mark. Let us see if we are sustaining below that. Then maybe avoid doing anything. But if we sustain about 25,050 for a while, then risk takers can place a long bet. Overall, if you see, it's more about how the sectors will now perform. Sectors like Nifty Infra, Nifty IT look promising. And if the current levels sustain, we may see some outperformance sort of coming in. Broader markets have also been retesting the breakout area. So if we have a positive week this time around, we may see a very sharp upside from next week onwards. Let us see. These are interesting times and good opportunities to buy for medium to long term. For short term, as I said, trading is becoming increasingly difficult because of the volatility component. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing,